Walter Gerlach, president of the Phototex Group. We are here at the International Sign Show in Orlando, Florida. Many of you know we've been importing the Phototex self-adhesive polyester fabric for over 20 years. But I'm really excited to show you, especially being at the sign show, the use of the entranceway here in Orlando. All this material that you're looking at here is the opaque polyester fabric version of the Phototex. You could also see that it's covering the windows. Phototex is a removable, reusable, and repositionable fabric. You could use it indoors or outdoors, but we really have a great presence in the convention centers and a lot of the stadiums and events. So we're hoping next time that you have some type of event or you need a sponsorship or anything to use the Phototex with, that you would use the Phototex opaque block out. You could see that it's being overlapped and it looks perfectly seamless. So as you know, we also have the material that comes in different size rolls for the walls and the windows and the doors and the floors. If you want to see all the versions that we offer for the Phototex polyester fabric, make sure you visit us at phototexgroup.com.